Mm. Hey there, today we are going to griddle up some yummy quarter-pounder burgers. We're gonna get them nice and hot, perfectly medium pink on the inside. Let's go for it. One of the keys of success when it comes to griddle cooking anything is to make sure you have all of your ingredients ready before you even head outside. In another video I recently posted, I showed you how to season up some burgers and how to divide them equally. So here I'm starting with quarter-pound burgers. So I bought 1 pack of ground beef and I divide it into 4s, put a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper, formed them into a ball, smushed them down into a patty, and now they're ready to go on the grill, already seasoned. For this demo, I'm just gonna cook one of these burgers just to give you a little taste of how to make them. Here we go. If I'm bothering to griddle, I want to griddle up everything I'm gonna cook as much as possible. I don't feel like cooking inside the same time. Let's just get it all done quick and fast on the griddle. So I am going to toast up some buns, so let me set them aside. Now it just comes down to what else you might want on your burger, and onions are always a good choice for me. I don't always mandolin, but figured why not for today. Just got this special audience here, just gonna make the most perfect looking onions for you, okay? Whew, could have lost a finger, honestly, seriously. An onion, and you got an onion, and you. I can't even tell you how much stress I bring into my life because I constantly choose plates and bowls and things that are too small for the food I'm putting in them. So we'll see if some OCD is gonna kick in here. I don't know, I might need to change the plate because the situation is like gonna drive me a little bit nuts. And then it's like, now this plate is dirty, so I got all the emotional baggage from that. It's like this cycle that never ends. Cooking is a stress relief, but sometimes cooking brings the stress. You know what I mean? We're gonna try to make the rest of this stress-free, but up in my head right now. Okay. Obviously, this is like a shit ton of onions for the amount of 1 burger that I wanna make, but we will eat them later. It's just like, if you're gonna griddle, why not use a whole freaking grill, you know? You know? All right, and know what I'm gonna do, because I'm like a complete bug hater. Like, I didn't get this on film, but a butterfly almost attacked me and it looked like a bat. Like, I thought it was a big black butterfly. I didn't know they even came in that color. So I'm gonna put, anyways, I hate bugs. So long story short, the bugs might come at me because I'm gonna have all this good smelling food. So I'm just gonna cover up the burger with this. So I'm gonna griddle up the onions first, but I don't want any bugs to be coming from my burger or I'll flip out. Personal problems. All right, also coming out, gonna bring a little garlic salt, a little bit of pepper. I need some butter. A little bit of oil too, either avocado oil or olive oil. Avocado has a higher smoke point, so it's usually preferred, but for some reason I poured olive oil, so I guess I'm using that today. No going back, baby. All right, what else do I need? Cheese. We need the cheese. Little slice-a-rooney here. Little taste test. Definitely cheese. Okay, last but not least, one other thing that I would grab before heading out are my tools, and that includes a thermometer. At this point, It's literally taken me longer to gather these supplies than it probably will take me to griddle this damn burger, but the deal is, oh, Traeger has sent over some of these like nice equipment. You don't need all of them. This is a burger dome, so it's gonna help me melt the cheese, but you don't need it, but it's nice to have. This is pretty awesome. You could always just use a really nice heavy spatula, but this is a really nice burger press. And since my burger is a decent size, but the bun is so freaking big, I'm gonna be smushing it down a little bit to see if I can get it as wide as the bun. So I think we're ready. I feel like I've just packed for like a 10-day vacation, but these, and then I'm gonna bring out a clean plate to put my burger on when it's done cooking, and then I should be good to go. So let's get all this stuff outside and actually get to griddling. Work, 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 work. Oh man! Woo! We are ready to griddle, baby. All right, so the first thing we have going on here are some onions. I'm gonna oil up the grill. Zoom, 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 zoom. Okay, you see anything? I can't see. I hope I look my most beautiful right now. Well, okay, so I got the onions going on medium heat right in the middle. I'm gonna keep on turning them, and I might turn them down to medium low if they're cooking a little too much, because I wanna move my attention over to toast the bun, and then I wanna griddle up the burger. Yeah, these are just gonna keep cooking in the background. I don't wanna fuss over them too much, and I wanna move on, baby. So I'm gonna throw down some butter and get these on the griddle. Oh. Already done. Zoom out, baby. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, so next up we have the burger. So I'm gonna put down a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter, and then I'm gonna put the burger, I'm gonna smash it down, let one side brown up, flip it over, do the other side, make sure it's my desired temp, pull it off the grill. No, I'm gonna put cheese on it, then pull it off, put the whole damn thing together. All right, now let's be super honest. The best part of cooking is eating. So look at this damn burger. Whoa, look at that burger. Come on. Yummy, yummy. All right, top we go. Shit. Time to get that bite. Yes, yes we do. Yeah, that's how we do. All right, whew. This is like my perfect combo. Maybe I'd also add like some, do I have food on my face? Maybe some pickles would do it, but it's gonna be yummy. Ugh. That's why we wear the apron around here. Ready? Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Do I have anything on my face? Mm. My bad. Gonna manage the camera, my food, my outfit. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Beep, beep. Freaking delicious. Mm.